Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Krunker IO. First, navigate to the Krunker IO website in your browser. You don't need to download anything. The game runs directly. Once there, you can choose to play as a guest or create an account for progression. Select a game mode and jump into the action. It's a fast-paced, pixelated first-person shooter that's easy to pick up and play. To move around the map, use the W, A, S, and D keys. The spacebar lets you jump, which is crucial for navigating obstacles and performing advanced parkour. Aiming is done with your mouse, and a left click fires your weapon. Remember to press R to reload when your magazine is empty. Mastering these basic controls will give you a significant advantage in combat. Krunker IO features several classes, each with a primary weapon and unique abilities. For example, the Triggerman uses an assault rifle, great for balanced combat. The Hunter class specializes in sniping, offering long-range precision. Try out various classes like the Run and Gun with its SMG or the Shotgunner for close-quarters battles. Finding your favorite class enhances your gameplay. Krunker IO offers diverse game modes like Free for All, where it's every player for themselves, and Team Deathmatch, focusing on team scores. In objective modes, prioritize completing the goals. Always use the environment for cover and strategic positioning. Practice your aim and movement consistently to improve. Remember, teamwork and map awareness are key to dominating the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.